Welcome students to class 3 Max, chapter 6 division. In the previous class we have studied properties of division and we have completed exercise 6.2, and students, today we are going to study long division without regrouping. Students, I hope you all are fine. Okay, let us study today division of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Understood? Which is 2-digit number here? 84 is 2-digit number and 4 is 1-digit number. Here students, for division there are 5 steps are there. First one is compare. We have to compare these two numbers. And second step is divide. And the third step is multiplication and subtraction and bring down. These 5 steps are there. If you study these 5 steps, then you can do this division easily. Okay, let us take an example. 86 divided by 2. Students, here in this question we have to find the quotient. Here, which is the dividend, which is the divisor, and which one is the quotient? Students, already here given dividend divided by divisor. Dividend is 86 and the divisor is 2. And students, for finding the quotient, we have to do the division like this. This is the step 1. Is to, what is the step 1? Compare the digit. Compare. Okay, for comparing the digit, we have to draw the division sign first like this and write 86 inside, 2 outside. Okay, first we have to compare the leftmost digit of the dividend. Which is the leftmost digit? That is in tens column 8. This is the leftmost digit. So students, you know that 8 is greater than 2. That is 8 is greater than 2. What is the step 1? Compare the digit, and we have to compare the leftmost digit with the divisor. Here you know that which is the leftmost digit, that is 8. And we have to divide 8 by 2. So for doing this, students, you know that 8 is greater than 2. So students, therefore we can divide 8 by 2. So step 2 is doing the division here. So let us do division. So students, for doing this division, we use the table of 2 to find the product which is equal to or less than and nearest to. Understood? Once again, for doing the division, we use the table of 2 because 2 is the divisor and leftmost digit is 8. So for finding, we have to use table of 2. Let us do 1 into 2 is equal to, here the 2's table, 1 2's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 3 2's are 6 and 4 2's are 8. So we got the number, that is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So let us write 4 above the 8. So students, say once again, what is the first step? Compare the digit, and what is the leftmost digit? That is 8, that is in tens place. And we know that 8 is greater than 2. So after that, the table of 2, what is the table of 2? 1 2's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 3 2's are 6 and 4 2's are 8. So we got the number, and let us write this 4 above the 8. Understood? Above 8, that is in tens column. So what is the next step? And step 3 is we have to multiply 2 into 4. What is 2 into 4? We have to multiply 2 into 4. What is 2 into 4? You know that. What is 2 into 4? That is 8. So after that we have to subtract 8 from 8. That is 0. Understood? Okay, we have completed 3 steps now. First step is compare the digit, second one is division, and third one is multiplication, that is 2 into 4. 2 into 4, 8. You write that 8 in tens column, that is under the 8. Okay, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So students, step 4 is subtraction. 8 that we have done already. 8 minus 8, that is 0. And step 5 is bring down the next digit, that is 6. Bring down the next digit, that is 6. After bringing down, we will repeat step 1 to 5 again. Understood? After bringing down, we will repeat step 1 to 5. First step is compare the digit, and second one is division, and third one is multiplication, and fourth one is subtraction, and fifth one is if number is remaining, we will bring down that number. Understood? So let us check. So for doing this, students, first we have to compare the digits, that you know that 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. So next step is write the table of 2. Here 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 3 2s are 6. So let us write 3 here, and after that multiply 2 into 3, that is 6. So then subtraction 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So students, here the dividend is 86 and the divisor is 2. The quotient is 43 and the remainder is 0. Understood? So students, what is the quotient here? 43. Okay. Students, here the next one is division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So let us check the steps. What is the first step? First step is okay students, here the next one is division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay, let us take an example. Example from exercise 6.3, question number 9. Question number 9. 864 divided by 2. 800. Okay, for doing this question, we have to compare the numbers. First, draw the division sign. Write 864 inside and 2 outside. So let us compare leftmost number, that is 8 here, that is in hundreds column. So let us compare these two numbers. You know that this 8 is greater than 2. 8 is greater than 2. So we need 2's table now. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So write 4 here above 8, and after that multiplication 2 into 4, that is 8. Then subtraction 8 minus 8, 0. Then bring down next number 6 here down. So then compare with these two numbers. You know that 6 is greater than 2. Then we need 2's table. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3 is 6. So write 3 here, and then 2 into 3, that is 6. Then subtraction 6 minus 6, 0. Then bring down next number, that is 4. Then we need 4 table. You know that 4 is greater than 2. So we now we need 2's table. 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4. So write 2 here up. Then 2 into 2 is 4. Then subtraction, 4 minus 4, that is 0. So the remainder is 0. The quotient is 432. The quotient is 432. Understood? So students, now let us verify this answer is right or wrong. So for verifying this number, we have a formula, that is divisor is equal to divisor into quotient. This is a formula, divisor into quotient is equal to dividend. Let us check. What is the divisor here? Divisor is 2, and what is the quotient here? That is 432 is equal to dividend. So let us check. 432 into 2, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 2 is 8, 864. So see this, what is divisor into quotient is equal to dividend, that is 864. So we can say that this answer is right. Understood? Okay, students, next let us check division of 4-digit number by 2-digit number. All of you take exercise 6.3, question number 17. 2826 divided by 2. So for doing this, first we have to compare the numbers. Before that, draw the division sign like this, and inside 2826 and outside divisor, inside dividend and outside divisor. So let us compare these numbers. That is, first number is 2. You know that 2 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. So now we need 2's table. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So write 1 here. Then 2 into 1. What is 2 into 1? That is 2. Then subtraction, that is 0. What is 2 minus 2? Which is equal to 0. Then bring down 8. Then compare. So now you know that 8 is greater than 2. Then we need 2's table now. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. And 2 4s are 8. So write 4 here up. Then 2 into 4, that is 8. Then subtraction, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Then bring down 2. Then compare. 2 is equal to 2. So write 1 here again. Then 2 into 1, that is 2. Then subtraction, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then bring down this number. Write 6 here. Then compare. 6 is greater than 2. Then we need 2's table. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Then 2 into 3, 6. Then subtraction, 0. So now remainder is 0. Quotient is 1413. 1413. So let us check this answer is right or not. For checking this, what is the formula? Divisor into quotient is equal to dividend. What is the divisor here? 2. 2 into quotient. What is the quotient? 1413 is equal to. So let us check. 1413 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 1 into 2, 2. 4 into 2, 8. 1 into 2, 2. So divisor into quotient is equal to dividend. So the answer is right. 2826. 2 into 1413 413 is equal to 2826. That means divisor into quotient is equal to dividend. So the answer is right. Students, we are done question number 1, 9 and 17. So students, these all works are homework. These all remaining works are homework. So you must do this work during the holidays. If you have any doubt, you can contact me and submit the whole work on 23rd November. You have 12 more days. You can do these all works during the holiday. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask to me or you can contact me. Okay, let us wind up today's class. See you. Stay home, stay safe.